In today's video, I want to show you how to make 6 pics before December ends at your Instagram story trend. First, you have to simply tap on little plus option at the below of the profile. Now you have to simply tap on templates. Now you need to simply scroll down below. So here you will find the trending template section. You need to simply go inside. So here you notice that there is 6 pics before December end 8 years. So you need to simply tap on this one. Now here you need to simply upload 6 different pictures from your gallery. So I want to just upload 6 different pictures from my gallery to make the Instagram story. Then you have to simply tap on check mark. Now here you need to simply tap on your story. Now I want to just go back to Instagram story section. So here you notice that I have successfully created Instagram story with the help of 6 pics before December ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.